Your bank is not on your side when it comes to your mortgage. In fact, the interest rate they offer you first is almost never their best rate, and most people just accept it. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to fight back, save potentially tens of thousands of dollars, and make the smartest mortgage decision of your life. Stay with me, because point number 3 alone could save you over $30,000. Welcome to Rich Mind Daily, where we break down complex money topics into simple, actionable steps. If you're new here, subscribe now. We post videos like this every week to help you build real wealth. Today we're talking about mortgages, specifically mortgage rates, how they work, and the strategies almost nobody tells you about. Let's get into it. What mortgage rates actually are, and why they change a mortgage rate is simply the interest your bank charges you for lending you money to buy a home. As of 2025, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate in the United States sits around 6.5 to 7%. That might sound small, but on a $300,000 home, the difference between a 6.5% rate and a 7.5% rate is over $60,000 across the life of your loan. Mortgage rates move based on Federal Reserve decisions, inflation data, and bond markets. When inflation is high, rates go up. When the economy slows, rates tend to come down. Knowing this helps you decide when to lock in your rate. Fixed versus adjustable. Which one should you choose? You will always be offered two main options. A fixed rate stays the same for the entire loan, usually 15 or 30 years. An adjustable rate, called an ARM, starts lower but can change after a set period. For most beginners, a 30-year fixed rate is the safest choice. Your payment never changes no matter what happens to the economy. However, if you plan to sell or refinance within 5 to 7 years, an adjustable rate can save you significant money in the short term. The key question to ask yourself is, how long do I plan to stay in this home? The single most powerful way to get a lower rate. Shop around. Studies from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau show that borrowers who get at least 5 mortgage quotes save an average of $3,000 in the first year alone, and over $30,000 across a 30-year loan. Most people call one bank, accept the first number they hear, and sign. That is one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Call your bank, call 2 credit unions, check 2 online lenders, tell each one you are comparing offers. The moment they know you are shopping, their rate suddenly gets more competitive. This one step costs you nothing but one afternoon of phone calls. How your credit score directly controls your rate. Your credit score is the single biggest factor determining your mortgage rate. A borrower with a 760 credit score can receive a rate up to 1.5% lower than someone with a 640 score. On a $300,000 mortgage, that difference costs the lower score borrower over $80,000 more across 30 years. Before applying for any mortgage, spend 3 to 6 months improving your credit. Pay down credit card balances below 30% of your limit, never miss a payment, and avoid opening any new credit accounts. These 3 steps alone can move your score significantly and unlock dramatically better rates. Mortgage points, the hidden tool that saves serious money. Most people have never heard of mortgage points, and banks rarely explain them clearly. One mortgage point costs 1% of your loan amount and typically reduces your rate by 0.25%. On a $300,000 loan, paying $3,000 upfront for 1 point saves you approximately $15,000 over 30 years. This only makes sense if you plan to stay in the home long term. Calculate your break-even point. Divide the upfront cost by your monthly savings. If you plan to stay beyond that break-even, buying points is one of the smartest financial moves available to a home buyer. Those are the 5 most important things you need to know about mortgage rates before signing anything. The difference between a prepared buyer and an unprepared one is not luck, it is knowledge. If this video helped you, hit the like button right now. It helps more people find this channel. Subscribe to Rich Mind Daily if you want to keep making smarter money decisions every week, and drop a comment below. Are you currently looking to buy a home? Let me know and I will create more videos specifically for your situation. See you in the next one.